Yeah, like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. Yeah. We're fighting danger like kung fu. The love I feel is deep inside. The others don't matter. It's honestly us against the world. We're the perfect team. You're my dream, and I just want it. Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? See myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? See myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? See myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Oh baby. Where are we at right now?
At Chewy Boba's, even though it's not right here, but...
It is right there.
Oh.
Yeah, I know. I now just noticed that sign too.
I don't know.
You remember how to get in?
So we're back at Chewy Boba right now. And it's been a while since I've been here, so I'm about to get my, Chewy Boba. The purple one, that's my favorite one. Don't know the name right now, but I'm about to get it, so I'll tell you the name when we come back.
Okay, so the boys got taro slush with boba, and I got honeydew winter melon with passion fruit poppers and boba.
Do you understand any of that?
No.
What's the name of the purple drink? So he knows, so we
Taro.
know. Say it, Riley.
Taro.
Are you gonna remember for the rest of your life that this drink is called taro?
No.
No, I know, right? Okay. Oh yeah. So let's take drinks. Riley, gather those thick straws. So, the legendary pointy straw. Oh, wait. Open that the right way. There we go. Hold on. And then, whoa! And it's done. Just like that. Just like that. And then the taste. No. Why? You want some of mine? Okay. It is really good. God, I miss this place. We don't come here that often. We're too busy going to Starbucks.
Chewy Boba's. What better way to give you the address? It's right here on, is this the East Colonial?
West Colonial.
West Colonial. Okay, so it's on West Colonial. But yeah, you go here, get these taro drinks. Taro, with boba. Very good. Well, I'm honestly, out of all the bobas I've tried at places, this is a place I recommend. I really do. It's not as populated too, as you can see, which is also really cool. Riley loves it. Just rare. He rarely likes anything except for pizza and French fries, chicken tenders. Kids. So here we are, West Colonial.
Talking to the mirror like I've seen him somewhere before. He said I look familiar, did we meet the other night?
Look how interesting this market is down here on West Colonial, Rachel. Am I saying it?
It's West Colonial when you're downtown.
Okay, West Colonial when you're downtown. That's so cool. Wait, are we in the right place again?
Whatever that is, that looks wrong. I don't want to eat that.
Agreed.
Fresh tamarind.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but look at these sauces, man. This is neat. I wonder if they have Grey Poupon. Doubt it. They probably have something far better. Whoa. Look at these guys. That's neat. Uh-oh, y'all. Check out this noodle section. Noodles. Angel hair. Riley, buy me noodles.
I got noodles here.
Oh my God. It's a noodle aisle. I love this place. You know what it is? It's a grocery store, folks. It's, Rachel, I don't want to sound wrong. What is it, an Oriental grocery store? Does that sound right? Like Oriental? Duck eggs? Yeah, I mean, we've had those before. Wait, not duck eggs. We've had goose eggs. Well, back that on up. But yeah, it's like a Winn-Dixie and stuff, man. But Oriental, really cool. Wait. Fish. What's that? Cat 2 kingfish. Cat 2. Yummy. Just ahead of the fish. Salmon, I'll take it. Check out these pieces of meat. Seasoned and ready to go. That 2's not the only place that makes crazy drinks. Or whatever that is. Oh, this bread looks delightful. What is this?
Rice and beans on the go. No.
So like this is basically
We got a
like
taro
your,
dessert.
is this like your Publix deli?
It's like specialty rice.
These guys are interesting. Eat one, Riley. Eat one.
I believe in you know things like blue and stuff.
Do that. You want to get a head start? Just come to this place and buy some orange trees. Rachel, just because I always mess up, where is this located? West Colonial. We figured that out. Do we have a name of this place? It's on the door. Wait. There we go. Is that the name of it? We shall put it in the description, and if anything. So I got a little confused. It's called the Tin Hung Market Oriental Food Center, fresh seafood and meat tofu deli. This place is awesome. All right, I'm definitely gonna get all my noodles from here. You want to live healthy, live like this.
Somebody once told me that there's two sides to life. What's yours? I might have accidentally let the darkness eat the light, and that's why I prayed.
Walking around out here, and came across one of these electrical scooters. Been hearing some evil people have been throwing them inside Lake Eola, but I think it's really cool. You just rent a scooter. It's electrical, and it's on right now. That's cool, and it takes you where you need to go around here. Not bad. We should take a look further into this.
Sing to me, I am not doing well, getting tired of my own words. Sing to me, 'cause I can't hear myself through the loudness of my own words. Got me selfish when I say this. I'm kinda helpless and I need you. Sing to me, 'cause I'm not doing well.
Look at all that seafood. Come home with me, I will eat you. Now this is where you get seafood. Fresh. You're coming home with me. I'm gonna touch the wood. You're not coming home. How does it show that? Okay, now it's running. So look, you get your frog legs. I don't really like frog legs, but whoever people that do like frog legs, you can get them here, or you can get them. You know what? Why stop there? You can get eel.
That is so cool.
Tell us where this one's located. This place.
Workhead?
Huh?
Like one?
No. You know what? I do see where he's headed though. Yikes. Anyways, Rachel,
See the snout on that?
where's this place located?
It's called iFresh on Colonial.
iFresh, West Colonial Drive, right next door to the Fashion Square Mall. A whole aisle of different types of ramen. Oh my god. This place puts Epcot to shame. Are you okay? Are you gonna be okay? Calm down. It's okay. You don't have to do this. No. Huh?
I had done.
You've had the what from Epcot, right?
This is the normal one here.
Yeah. All right. Well, looks like that's the seller. So what's up, man? You found some noodles, huh?
Yes.
Ooh, angel hair ramen. Oh my god, you can't beat that. And they're healthy. They're healthy, man. Because I know you're on your diet, Mr. Grown Man. Riley, why are you on a diet anyways? Just a kid.
Because I want to stop eating bread because it feels like fattening to me.
Oh. We all make our life choices. Oh, it's another noodle aisle. Okay, now this noodle aisle was better than the last Oriental store. There's so much here to choose from, dude. Oh, beautiful angel hair noodles. Vegetable noodles? Sounds good. Riley, I'm having a hard time telling these calories. What's it say? Okay, thank you.
Oh, you can look under.
Oh, look under. Wait. Oh, of course. Well, this place is no Whole Foods, but it is healthy. Like, this is a lot of healthy food here, a lot of healthy choices. I'm definitely coming back here to get a lot of stuff. I'm going to get a lot of stuff now. This place is neat. So, I recommend it. What did Mom say this place was called? Something fresh. Wait, what is this place called? iFresh? iFresh at West Colonial. Alright, directly next door from the Fashion Square Mall. Right? That's what it's called, the Fashion Square Mall? Right next door? Ooh. Fashion Square Mall is like way down there. Okay, I'm bad with directions. This is why Rachel's the best at everything.
It's on Colonial, right before
just-
you get to downtown LA.
Right before you get to iPhone.
Anyways, the place is called
iFresh.
iFresh. iFresh or High Fresh? Like High Fresh or iFresh? iFresh. Okay, so it's called iFresh. Located on West Colonial. All this Oriental food shopping. Now Rachel wants to get Oriental food. And you as well? And me. I'm gonna get my soup. Seafood soup. and order chicken wings. Oh, and egg drop soup too. Yeah, love our soups. What are you gonna get?
The crab, red bean.
Red bean.